Alright guys, this is Adam Boya, for the 2013 bike check. After like 10 months, I'm finally back. Sorry I stopped making videos, but thanks to all my subscribers and stuff like that. I know y'all be hating a lot, but it is what it is. Shit happens, but life goes on. Alright, starting off with the Odyssey Parins. Oh yeah, long neck grips. Odyssey mono lever and medium, double cables. Animal jump off remix stem. Not a big deal, but I love this stem. Sunday T-Tall bars, 8.7 rise. A Kink Empire forks, Primo 7 Series rims, Demolition Momentum 2.3 in the front. Mission headset, Snafu detangler, S&M top plate, Sunday 2013 third way frame, Kink seat, animal seat post I think, Sunday seat clamp, boobies rule, bracelet thingy, double brake cable all the way to the back, black Odyssey Evo 2s. I love these brakes, they're freaking amazing. They stop like it's nothing. To the pedals, Animal remix pedals I think. Odyssey 12 bolt cranks. Odyssey 25 tooth Burlington sprocket. A blue, I believe it's an Odyssey half-link chain. I'm not positive. Primo 7 Series rim with a Primo remix back hub. Super loud, super great sound. It's a bit. I recommend that hub to anybody. I mean, I wasn't get the profile leaks, but I ain't gonna follow trends like everybody else. Clear Odyssey brake pads. Demolition 2.2 in the back. Demolition momentum. It's a 22 mid ball bearing by S&M. This is like everything on my bike. Oh, the front hub is a Primo N4 FL. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Peace.